टेबल पे रख देते, एक कुर्सी पे रख, एक
So that there's no noise for your cameras. Can you all settle down? Can you all settle down? Yeah, can you please settle down? Shall we start?
Sonam, you have your own successful story. You see, actually, you were a girl who was very overweight. Parents now बोल रहे थे acting करने के लिए, but how do you see your journey, and are you an inspiration to yourself also when you see what you were before and what you are now?
I don't know if I'm an inspiration to myself. I just know that I honestly feel like I've had it very easy. I'll be very honest with you. There have been lots of ups and downs, but it's very little compared to what I see, especially with the women that have been nominated right now, especially the Women of Worth Awards, for the Femina Women of Worth Awards. My journey has been extremely easy. Yeah, weight loss is easy. Being Anil Kapoor's daughter, a lot of opportunities and a lot of doors open up for me initially, but after that you need to keep proving yourself. But that's with anybody else in this world. But honestly, I'm blessed and I work hard and I don't take that for granted for sure. But I think there are way more inspiring people than me, and I do not inspire myself. I'm not that crazy.
Sonam, what it takes to be a woman of substance, according to you?
What it takes to be a woman of substance. Confidence, having the right values, wanting to do something in life besides just living your life, wanting to achieve something in life, being a professional, being a mother, and being happy to be a woman and actually embracing the fact that you're a woman. I think that makes a woman of substance. That makes a complete woman.
सोनम, अगर आपको ये अवार्ड किसी बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस को देना हो तो वो कौन होगी?
हमारे में nominations है ना? No nominations this year.
It's only for people who work for
social empowerment and people who are actually impacting society, culture in some way or the other. There are lots of women in our industry who do that, but their achievements are not that of. They're not
changing so many people's lives.
And also we're also looking at women who don't have the opportunity to showcase what they're doing on a platform. We already have that platform. We're already famous. If we put our name to a cause, then it's already, it becomes big anyway. So we don't need this platform, honestly, and I think they're very smart in not giving actors who are already famous this opportunity.
So, Sonam, any social cause which is very dear to you, and maybe you're working on this thing, or maybe you have something what you'll be doing it in future?
I work a lot with cancer research, and I work a lot with. I've been working since I was 21 years old. I also believe in educating underprivileged children. I feel the one thing that our country needs is literacy. The one thing that's holding us back is illiteracy, and I feel with education and awareness, our country will move leaps and bounds forward. So if anything that I want to work on and that I am working on is educating India.
Country is working on a campaign like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao.
Well, that's a part of it. That is a part of it. But I think there is more to it. Yes, obviously, if you educate a woman, she is always going to be the one who sabki parvarish karti hai. She is the one who brings up the child. So if a woman is educated, then her children will be educated. And since a mother is always a mother and a woman is always a woman, if you educate women, the country will eventually get educated. So that's a great way of actually educating India, is by educating women first.
Sonam, we are talking about women of substance, but do you think in India women are safe, and do they achieve what they deserve?
Women are not safe anywhere in the world. Trust me. I'm constantly on Facebook and constantly in the news and stuff like that. You see women being raped, murdered, everywhere in the world. And yeah, we are, there are more cases in India, I guess, especially in the north. But we need to kind of defend ourselves. We need to, again, it comes down to education and awareness. You know, if you give people the right morals and the right values, these things will not happen, and that comes in a classroom. That might come at home as well, but how do you broaden someone's perspective? How do you make someone open-minded? Is by educating them, is by making them aware. And so it all boils down to education. Everything boils down to education, I feel.
Being a Bollywood actress, उसका होगा नहीं being in the film industry, like, do you feel से कि यहाँ पर भी थोड़ा male dominated है, you can say, because जो कुछ हमारे लिए heroines हैं, in fact, like उनकी जो career span होता है, that is like, you know,
that's
less,
not any. I don't think that's true anymore.
Khan, you can say, like, you know, till they're romancing.
Tabu is still doing.
But not in the main.
Madhuri is still there. Sridevi is still there. Rani Mukherjee is still there. Kajal is coming back. Aishwarya is still there.
But you know, when it comes to films, the number of films and the popularity, the male.
Bhabhi ka role है ऐसे. Oh yeah.
I mean, I don't think that's true. That's not true anymore. That is not true anymore. Especially with the last year, the slate of films that happened, the female-centric films were way more successful than the male-centric films. Whether you're looking at Queen, Khoobsurat, Mardani, Maricom, Highway, Lunchbox, any film that you look at, they were all. I don't think that's true anymore. I think instead of trying to constantly put our country down and constantly trying to put our industry down, we also have to see the achievements of our country and our industry. We are moving forward. I have the opportunity this year to be working on some of the most amazing films where women play the central character. And those are the kind of films that have only been offered by some of the biggest producers. So I don't think that's true anymore. And I don't think it matters how old you are, how young you are. I think people are so excited that Kajal is doing her. I'm so excited that Kajal is doing her. You know, she's signed a film. I'm so excited that Aishwarya signed a film again. And we were just waiting. She decided to take maternity leave. We were just waiting for her to come back. So I don't think that's true. I think people in their 20s, their 30s and their 40s, we are all working. Rani Mukherjee deserved all the awards this year. So did Priyanka Chopra for Maricom. And so did Alia. And so did Kangana. And we all come from different ages. So I don't think that's true. I'm sorry. I didn't agree.
So what's keeping you busy post Dolly Ki Dolly? Have you signed any other film?
Yes.
Nirja Banod's character that you're playing?
No comments. Can't comment on
I
that.
think we are not being a part of film industry. What are your expectations from upcoming budget related to film industry?
I don't know much about the budget, so I don't think it's right for me to comment on something that I don't have complete information on. It'll make me... little information is always dangerous information, so I don't want to make a comment that is going to be wrong.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.